Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft an enchanted golden apple in Minecraft. Let's get started. For that, you just need a few golden blocks and an apple, just a usual apple. So let's count how many golden blocks do you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we just put a golden apple in the middle, and as you can see, we've just crafted an enchanted golden apple. You may ask, how did you do that? Because you cannot craft a golden apple in Minecraft, in vanilla Minecraft. But the thing is, guys, I'm using a data pack. You can download it. You can download this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description to this post. You just click download data pack and save it on your PC. In any folder you want, and after that you just install it to your Minecraft world. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.